Panic rising? Do this with me right now. Hi, I'm Wil Dieck, college professor and longtime martial artist. And today we're talking about your 60-second panic reset. First, the physiological sigh. One big inhale through your nose, then a quick second sniff to top off your lungs. Long, slow exhale out of your mouth. That double inhale pops collapsed air sacs, and that long exhale dumps CO2 fast, hitting the brake on your stress response. Now lock that calm in. Inhale for 4 counts. Through your nose, hold for 4, and pinch the skin between your thumb and index finger firm enough to feel it. Exhale for 6 and say quietly, safe right now. That longer exhale flips your nervous system out of fight or flight. The pinch anchors the calm so your body remembers it under pressure. Practice this 3 times daily when you're calm so it fires automatically when the stress hits. Full training plan is in the video description below. Oh, one last thing, just hit subscribe for more brain boosting hacks that take minutes but change everything. Until the next time, this is Wil Dieck wishing you only success. And remember, you can stop panic before it stops you.